Firstly, make sure both the devices are fully charged, or else you can start the process with the devices plugged into the chargers. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest software. To check it, go to the settings, general, software update, and if there are any updates, make sure to download and install the update. Also, to start the process of transfer, the iPhone should be in the startup page when you unbox the iPhone for the first time. If you have already set up your iPhone like me, don't worry, I will show you the steps to get to the startup page. Go to the settings, general, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on the erase all content and settings. Keep in mind all the data in your iPhone will be erased, so make sure you back up your data before this step. Now click on continue. It will ask for your passcode which you use to set up to unlock your iPhone. Also, if you have signed in with your iCloud account, it will ask you to type the password to go to the next step. Then click on erase iPhone. This will take few minutes depending on the data in the iPhone. Meanwhile, we can go to your Android device for the next step. Go to the Play Store, search move to iOS and hit install. Open the app, agree the Apple privacy policy, hit continue, agree the terms, don't send, continue, give permission while using the app, hit continue, and we have to wait at this page for the code which we will get from the iPhone in the next step. You will be presented this page on the iPhone after the reset process. Swipe up to open, click on English or your preferred language, select your country, click setup manually, and then connect to your Wi-Fi network. After that, you will be shown this page which will take few minutes to activate your iPhone. Click on continue. You can set up Face ID later after the transfer, so click on setup later. Create a passcode to unlock your iPhone and you will come to this page, which is the most important step. Make sure to click on the move data from Android option, hit continue and type the 6-digit code shown on iPhone to your Android device, and then you will be shown the list of data which can be transferred from Android to iPhone. Go through the list and select the options which you want to transfer. In my case, I want to transfer messages, click allow, contacts, click allow. I also want all the calendar events, click allow. I also want to transfer all my photo and video data, so I will click photo library and click allow, and the main option we all have been waiting for, which is the WhatsApp messages and data. Unlock your phone if you have set any password for your WhatsApp. In my case, it's my fingerprint scanner. Click on start and then it will prepare the WhatsApp data to be transferred to your iPhone. This step will take few minutes depending upon the data in your WhatsApp. Click on next and click continue, and the transfer process will take place. The estimated time will be shown on both the screens, which will depend on the size of the data to be transferred as well as your Wi-Fi speed. I have very good Wi-Fi speed, so it's showing around 2 minutes. Your time may vary. After the transfer is complete, click on done and then you can keep your Android device aside. If you want, you can transfer your main SIM from Android to your iPhone in this step, or else you can also insert it later. Click on continue on your iPhone to start the setup process. Sign in with your Apple ID. If you do not have, you can create one by clicking on don't have Apple ID. I would recommend to sign in with Apple ID so that the next process will be easy and will require less steps to follow along. After two-factor authentication, click agree, hit continue, setup later in settings, setup later in wallet, not now, and your iPhone setup process is complete. Swipe up to get to your home screen. It will prompt you to add apps to your iPhone which you had on your Android device. I want it to be added, so I will click add apps. If you want to install later, you can click don't add. Here you can see all my apps are added in my home screen. Let's click on WhatsApp to open and install. When you open any app for the first time, it will ask you to open App Store. So click view App Store, click continue, turn off personalized ads. It will ask for your location. Click don't allow. Click on get and then install. You will have to type your password for the first time. Click sign in. Click open. Agree and continue. Click allow. Select your country and type your phone number and click done. Enter the 6-digit code received on your number through SMS and you will land on the move chats from Android page. Click start. Start again to import chats. Allow access to all photos and your data transfer process will take place. Your WhatsApp messages and data transfer is complete. Click on next, type your name and hit done. Click OK to access contacts, and here you go. All my WhatsApp messages have been transferred successfully. Let's go back and you can see all the other apps are being installed in the background. Let's also check my photo library. Click on photos. And here you go. All my photos and videos are being transferred successfully. Let's also check my contact list, calendar events, and also messages as well. That's it. All my WhatsApp messages and all other data are transferred successfully for free.